Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make apple butter smoked ham. Yes, perfect for the holidays or your pandemic quarantine lockdown. Alright, so we've got this 8-pound ham butt and it's already smoked. But instead of warming this up in the oven as you would do traditionally, we're going to warm this up on the pellet smoker. And that's going to add some extra smoke. Is that a bad thing? No. Is it too much smoke? No. It's actually pretty good. So once you get all the packaging and safety material removed, go ahead and put it on a cooling rack. Then load up your pellet hopper with cherry wood pellets. Or you could use hickory or pecan. And then what you want to do is set your smoker to 250 degrees. When your smoker reaches temperature, go ahead and put the ham on the bottom shelf and we're going to cook it for 2 hours. Now, can you go longer than 2 hours? Yes, you can. You could go 3 or 4, but we're going to recommend 2. And that should give you a nice smoky flavor. Next, we're going to add 9.5 ounces of apple butter into a cast iron sauce skillet. Can you believe these are only 10 bucks? Yeah, it's Lodge. It's not cheap China. And go ahead and place it into the smoker and we're gonna let that warm up. Oh yeah, take a look at that. We're getting some color. It's more color than when you cut that nasty plastic off of there. Yeah, you can see that color is flavor, and that's looking tasty. Alright, so the apple butter's warmed up. We've had it in for about 30 minutes or so. And it's been 2 hours since the ham has been in the smoker. And we're going to go ahead and brush on all of the apple butter. So what you want to do is brush on the apple butter on all surface areas except for the bottom, of course, and then come back around and finish up with the rest of the apple butter. You want to use it all up. And once you get all the apple butter brushed on, go ahead and increase the temperature of your smoker to 275, and we're going to cook for 1 hour. And again, 1 hour is a recommendation. You can go longer if you like, but hey, look at that. Oh yeah. Food porn flyover. Man, does that look good? Oh yes, it does. You know the answer. Let's slice in. And man's not really looking here and he's gonna hit that bone. Yeah, just move the knife a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Oh, look at that. Now check out how juicy this is. This is 2 hours. You can go longer. You could go 3, 4. And the ham is still going to be juicy. And this was a $12 on sale at the grocery store ham. So, you know, for it being juicy like this, that's not bad. And the flavor? Oh yeah, that is good. So if you have a smoker and you've become used to heating up your ham in the oven, stop. Try it in the smoker and you'll never use the oven to heat up your ham again. And if you want to splurge, give the family a nice little treat on a $2 jar of apple butter, do it! They'll thank you, and you'll thank us. Sexy apple butter ham. Can't go wrong. This is actually about $18. It's under 20 bucks. And keep the bone. We're going to show you in the next video, split pea and ham soup, how to make this into even more food. Yes, that's what we do. We got you. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Click like, click subscribe. Let us know in the comments sections what you think. If you love us or hate us, doesn't matter. Let us know.